Welcome to a new HiCAD short clip. In this video I would like to show you our new redesigned report manager. To do this, I create a bill of material as usual. As of HiCAD 2023, the settings file is based on the XML format. After clicking OK, we see the new window. Let's start at the top. There is the menu bar via which all functions are directly accessible. Below the menu bar is the toolbar. On the left you see the functions for opening an RM3 file and a settings file. Alternatively, you can select a settings file from the drop-down. Next to it is Save and Save As. You will also find printing and the various export functions here. To the right of it are the functions for adjusting the columns. Later, some more about this. Finally, there are the open and close functions as well as other options, the online help and the version info. New here, in the left area of the report manager, is the part structure and the attribute windows below. The first node is the model drawing. In the window below you will find a list of all drawing attributes. The same works with an assembly to look at the part attributes or, if you open the tree, with individual parts. At the very bottom is the color-coded status bar with more information. The head data settings were previously accessible via the respective export function. In the new report manager, the head data has been centralized. Here we can see all drawing data, including their values. With the extended display, the attribute names can be displayed. You can use the checkboxes to determine whether an attribute is to be exported. The column settings now give a better overview of all attributes and their settings. With the extended display, both the attribute names and other settings can be displayed. This makes it easy to change the display unit. By listing the attributes, it is now possible for you to edit several attributes at once. If all attributes are displayed, you often do not find one immediately. For this, there is now the dynamic search to quickly get a result. By enabling visibility, the attributes are displayed immediately. You can now use more than 4 columns for sorting. The order can be easily changed with the arrows. Various sorting methods are available for text columns. The filters can be accessed via the toolbar or via the context menu of the column heading. The filters have also been centralized. The @ stands as a placeholder and represents the respective value. At the top, you will see an error message if the formula is invalid. The filters are applied immediately with OK. By the way, the filter works even if the column is not visible. The customizable columns are now much easier to reach. To add a column to the active list, click one of the data types and give its column a name. Below is a set of attributes that can be filtered. By clicking on an attribute, it is entered into the formula. The harbor text shows you the name of the attribute for easier reading of the formula. A created column can be easily copied and pasted back into another list. This can save a lot of time. Finally, I will show you the export function using the example of HiCAD. The settings can be opened via the drop-down. Various options are still available here. By clicking on the HiCAD symbol, the bill of material is exported and hangs on the cursor. With one click, this bill of material is dropped. Thanks for watching. Have fun designing with HiCAD. See you soon.